Okay, good morning students. Now last class already discussed about the what is the maximum and minimum function. Function is given. Okay. What is the maximum value of the function or get test or least value. Now here using the first derivative test. Okay. That means first derivative test for local maxima and local minima. Okay. Now here what is the algorithm of the function finding the maxima and minima. Now first let y equal f of x. Any function is given. Okay. Now first find the derivative. First is this is a given. Okay. Now first find the dy by dx. Okay. Now second point is when dy by dx substitute dy by dx equal 0, then what is the x find out? Let us say x equal c1, c2, c3 dot. Okay, so c1, c2, c3 are the critical point. At that point, either the function is maximized or minimized. Okay, so first, what is the function is given? First point. Okay, first point is find the derivative. Second, when f dash x dy by dx is 0, what is the x find out? Let us say x equals c1, c2, c3. Either two critical points or number of critical points. Let us say n critical points are the critical points. Okay. For objective question, find the critical points. That means at that point whether the function is maximized or minimized. Okay. So find the critical point means function is given. What is dy by dx find out? Dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay. So it is a critical point. Now verify at the C1 or C2 or C3 are the maximum or minimized. Okay. The first is let us say x equals C1. Dy by dx is changed to sign positive to negative. Then we said that the function is local maxima at either C1 or C2 or C3. Any one. Okay. Similarly, now here positive negative. Now second case is negative to positive. Okay, then we say that this is a local minima. If does not change, then we say that neither maxima or nor minima. It is suppose positive to positive or negative to negative. Okay, first is positive, then negative. Positive negative, so maxima, local maxima. Negative to positive, then local minima. Suppose positive to positive, then neither maxima nor minima. Okay, now this is the algorithm of first derivative. Okay, now for example, this is a find all the points of local maxima and minima of the function. This is a function. Okay, now here first is this is a given. Okay, now first find the dy by dx. Next solution. Okay, now dy by dx. Or f dash x, same thing. Okay, you could write y or this here. What is the derivative of x cube? 3x square. Okay, what is the derivative of x square? Is 2x into 6 minus 12x. Okay, what is the derivative of 9x? Is 9. What is the derivative of constant? Is 0. This one. Or if you take out common 3, take out common x square minus 4x plus 3, this one. Okay, or if you factorize these two, we get x minus 1 into x minus 3. Okay, now first is the function is given. Here this is a given. Now second one, find the dy by dx are there. Okay, now second one, third point is when dy by dx equal to 0, that means 3 into x minus 1, x minus 3 equal to 0. So x minus 1, x minus 3 equal to 0 implies x equal to 1 and x equal to 3. Now here C1, C2, C3. Now here there are two critical points. One is C1, another is C2. 1 and 3. And you take first is 1 or second is 1 as you like. Let us say this is a 1, C1 and C2. Now up to This much is our. Okay. Now this 3 point is very important. Okay. If dy by dx now at x equal to 1, let us say at x equal to 1. Now dy by dx equal to how much? Here 3 into x minus 1, x minus 3. This is a dy by dx. Now changes its sign from negative to abstract. First changes to its sign positive negative as x increases. X increases. That means here x is 1 is greater than 1. X is increases. Okay, greater than 1. So greater than 1, let us say 1.5 or greater than 1. Okay. Then what is the dy by dx? Dy by dx here this is 3 greater than 1. This is how much? Greater than 1 means 1 से बड़ा है 1.5 let us say 1.5 means this is a positive, or we can write this is a positive, but that means 0.5. Here 1.5 means minus 1.5, so this is a less than 0 or negative, is negative. Okay. Now when x they are to negative. Okay. Now it's for negative to positive or positive to negative, let us say. Now this is a, there are two, let us say this is a line x equal to 1, x equal to 3. So there are 3 typical point. Okay. Now x is greater than 1 is negative. X is less than 1. Okay, this is a critical point. Okay, less than 1, greater than 1. Okay, less than 1 means here, let us say 0.5. Okay, then dy by dx how much? Is 3. Well, let us say less than 1 means this is a negative. This is also negative. So positive. Okay, so here that means our sign it changes to positive to negative. Less than 1, x is less than 1, greater than 1. So positive to negative. Positive to negative means the function is local maximum at x equal to c1. So the function is local maxima or maximum at x equal to 1. Okay. Similar another point is at x equal to 3. Okay. So less than 3 and greater than 3. Okay. X is less than 3. What is the dy by dx? Less than 3 means 3 से कम है, but greater than 1. Okay. So here this is a 3 and this is a positive. Okay. Less than 3 means this is a negative. The product is negative. Okay, negative. Now x is greater than 3. What is dy by dx? 3 greater than 3 means here this is a positive. This is also positive. Now positive. So negative to positive. When negative to positive, so each x increases through c1, then the function attains a local minimum. So the function is local minima or local minimum at x equal to 3. Okay. Okay. So local minima, local maxima. Now one question is find the points. The points here, points of the one is the local maxima, local maximum or local maxima. This is the local minima. Okay, minima. Okay. Now another question is, suppose what is the greatest and least value find out. Okay. So here this is a maximum at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1, what is f of 1? Substitute करो यहाँ पे 1 minus 6 plus 9 minus 8. How much? 14 minus 4. Yes, minus 4. Okay. Then at x equal to next in 1 is 3. At x equal to 3, what is f of 3? So 3 row cube how much? 27. 3 row square is 9 into 6. 54. 3 into 9, 27. Minus 8. So minus 8. Now this is a local maxima. This is a maximum. This is a local minimum. This is a minimum. So minus 4 is the maximum. Minus 8 is the minimum. Okay. Now what is the points? Very important point is now find the local maxima and local minima by using the derivative. Now first any function is given. This is a simple example. First, find the derivative. Now, second point is du by dx equals 0. So, what is that critical point? Find out. The critical point, suppose that x equal to 1 or c1, c2 less than c1, greater than c1. When negative to positive or positive to negative. When positive to negative, then we say that this is a point. Positive to negative, then we say that local maxima. Negative to positive is local minima. If neither change, okay, then we say that does not change. Then we say that neither maxima nor minima. This is one example. Now next example is. Next question is find all the points of local maxima and local minima of the function. Now this is a one function. F of x equal to x minus 1 the whole cube into x plus 1 whole square. Okay, first question. Okay, now first let us say. First solve the first one. Okay, now we are given f of x equal to x minus 1 whole cube into x plus 1 whole square. Okay, now first find the derivative. Okay, so f dash x or dy by dx, f dash x. Derivative of u into v, u into derivative of v 2 into x plus 1, okay, plus v into x plus 1 the whole square into derivative of this one 3 into x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, now take out common here x plus 1 into x minus 1 the whole square. Take out common. Okay, now here 2 into x minus 1. Here 3 into x plus 1. Okay, now this part equal to x plus 1 into x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, now here 2x plus 3x 5x minus 2 plus 3. So minus 2 plus 3 how much? Is 1. Is 1 plus 1. Okay. Now are there at this out. Okay. Then f dash x equals 0. Then what is the value find out? X find out. Okay. Now f dash x equal to 0. That means x plus 1 into x minus 1 whole square. 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Now x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1.5 and x equal to 1. Now here there are three critical points. One is, suppose this is a on line, this is a, let us say x equal to minus 1, minus x equal to minus 1.5 and this is x equal to 1, let us say. Okay. Okay? Now there are three critical points. Now after x equal to minus 1, now x is changes to x is changes to. Suppose x is less than minus 1. Less than minus 1. Okay. So less than minus 1 means what is the f dash x? Less than minus 1 means what is the f dash x? Okay. Now here less than minus 1 means first one is positive. First one is less than minus 1 is positive. Less than minus 1 is negative. Then here this is a positive. Less than minus 1 minus suppose less than minus 1 minus 2. So this is also negative. So finally it becomes positive. Okay. When x is greater than minus 1, let us say greater than minus 1. Okay. So what is the f dash x? Greater than minus 1. Greater than minus 1 means between minus 1 to 1.5. Okay, minus 1.5. So the greater than minus 1 means this is a positive. The here square is given is always positive. Minus 1 means this is let us say minus 1 or how much this is a negative. Okay. So is negative. That means here when x is equal to 1, positive to negative. So positive negative means what is the region? Now the function is local maxima. So the function is local maximum at x equal to minus 1 because here positive to negative. Okay. Now second one is less than, let us say x equal to, this is the first one. Okay. Now second one is let x equal to minus 1.5. Okay. So x is changed. X is less than minus 1.5. Less than 1.5 means how much? Is negative, a positive negative. F dash x equal to, this is a positive, here square is given is always positive. Now this is a negative, so this is a negative. Okay. Now x is greater than minus 1.5. Okay. So what is f dash x? This is a positive. Here this is also positive. Now this is also positive. So 3 positive, that means positive. So negative row, this is the positive. Negative side row, now this is the positive. Okay. So negative positive means local minima. So local minima, or we can write here local minimum at x equal to minus 1.5 or 1 by 5. Okay. Now another point is at x equal to 1. Now third one is let x equal to 1. So x change, x is less than 1 or less than 1. Okay. What is f dash x? Less than 1 means here less than 1. So but greater than 1.5 or minus 1.5. This is a positive. Here square is given is always positive. Now here less than 1 means here also positive. Okay. Positive. So this is a total is positive. Now when x is greater than 1, f dash x. Okay, greater than 1. 1 से बड़ा. Let us say 1.5. Okay, 1.5. This is a positive. This is also positive. This is also positive. Now positive to positive. So here, so function is does not change. So neither maxima nor minima. So here positive row positive. So the function at the right at x equal to 1, the function is neither maxima neither maximum or local maximum nor local minimum. Okay, ठीक है. Now here what is the first is find all the points. So what is the first is given f of x. Okay, what is f dash x, find out. Now f dash is 0, what is x, find out. So there are three critical points: x equal -1, x equal -1 by 5, x equal 1. Okay, now x is changed to c1, changed to, let us say this is c1, this is c2, and this is c3. Okay, now let us say x equal to c1 -1, x is less than -1, what happened? Positive. X is greater than -1, what is the f dash happen? Is negative. So positive, negative. When positive, negative, here write maximum. Okay, similarly another critical point is -1 by 5, less than, negative, greater than, positive. So here is minimum or minimum. Okay, now third point is at x equal to 1, when less than 1 is positive, greater than 1 is positive, positive to positive. So neither maximum nor minimum. ठीक है, or local maximum, local minimum. Okay, now this is another example. Now another example is, now here second example is f of x equal to, here given sin x plus cos x, but here condition given x lies between 0 to pi by 2 on first quadrant. Okay, now first point, what is f dash x, find out. Now f dash x equal to, what is the derivative of sin x? Is cos x. What is the derivative of cos x? Now minus sin x. Okay, now f dash x equal to 0, so cos x minus sin x equal to 0, so cos x equal to sin x, so tan x equal to 1, x equal to pi by 4. Okay, now let us say this is a 0 and this is a pi by 2 and this is a critical point pi by 4. Okay, now at x equal to pi by 4, so less than pi by 4 and greater than pi by 4. So x is less than pi by 4, or x is changes to, what is the f dash x? Okay, now x is less than pi by 4. Suppose this is a 45 degree, this is a pi by 4, and this is a 0, and this is a 90. Okay, now between x is less than pi by 4. So if x is equal to pi by 4, cos 45 equal to sin 45, but less than pi by 4, sin x is greater than cos x, ना cos x is greater than sin x. कौन सा बड़ा है, cos x ना sin x? Cos x. This is a positive. That means f dash x is greater than 0. Okay, right? Greater than 0. Or f dash x greater than 0, right? Greater than 0 or right? F dash x is positive. Positive. Okay, because let us say x equal 30, let us say. What is the cos 30? Root 3 by 2. What is sin 30? 1 by 2. Now root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, or root 3 minus 1 by 2. Root 3 means 1 point something. Okay, minus 1. So this is a positive. Okay, now this is a positive. Okay, when x is greater than pi by 4, then f dash x. Okay, so is negative. Is not negative because this is a, let us say x equal to 30, 60. What is the cos 60? 1 by 2. What is the sin 60? Root 3 by 2. So 1 minus root 3 by 2. So is negative. Here x equal, let us say x equal to 5 by 6, 30. Here x equal to pi by 3, 60, let us say. Let us say. Okay, so positive to negative. So positive to negative. What is the condition? When positive negative is maximum. So the function f of x is local maximum at x equal to pi by 4. This is a local maxima at x equal to pi by 4. Okay. Now, similarly, another example, third example is, okay, the third example is, now third example is f of x equal to x cube minus 3x. Okay. Now, what is f plus x? Find out. What is the derivative of x cube? Now 3x square. What is the derivative of 3x? So is 3. So minus 3. Take out common 3. X square minus 1. Okay. Now f plus x equal to 0. So 3 into x square minus 1 equal to 0. So x square equal to 1, x equal to plus or minus 1. Is it plus 1 or minus 1? Okay. Now here this is a real line. Let us say this is x equal to minus 1 and this is x equal to 1. Okay. Now at x equal to minus 1, when x is less than minus 1, what is the f dash x? Okay, so less than minus 1 means minus 1.5, let us say. Now x square is positive, so b is positive. Okay, when x is greater than minus 1, what is f dash x? Greater than minus 1 is minus 0.5. Greater than minus 1. So is negative. So thus f dash x changes to positive to negative. Now positive to negative. Positive to negative means this is a local maximum. Okay. Now similarly at x equal to 1, when x is less than 1, what is the f dash x? Less than 1 is negative. When x is greater than 1, what is f dash x? Is positive. So f dash x changes to negative to positive. Negative positive means this is a local minimum. Okay. Now here what is the for example, this is very important for plus 2 exam. One question is compulsory for 4 marks. Okay. Now function is given. First any function is given. What is the algorithm? First is what is the f dash x find out. Now second is f dash 0. What is the x find out? Is known as critical point. That is the C1, C2, C3. Now here there are two critical points, minus 1 and 1. Okay. Now then verify that x minus 1. Now minus 1 changes to means left side of minus 1, right side of minus 1. If positive negative is local maxima. If negative less than 1, greater than 1, another critical point is a negative positive, so local minima. Okay. Now verify. Now next class we will discuss about the higher order derivative, the second order derivative. Okay. Now thank you.